What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we'll be guiding you on how to verify your age on X. Now, while X does not have a universal mandatory age verification process for all users, there are specific situations such as accessing restricted content or complying with local laws. In this case, X may trigger a verification requirement. In this case, you might want to have your government issue ID in order to be verified. But before you get to that, you can get a step ahead by getting verified. In order to do this, you can go over to the three dots here, click on it, or on your mobile device, look for settings and privacy. We're going to click on the three dots here for more, and you can see settings and privacy. Click on it under settings and privacy. Go to security and account access. Once you're here, you're going to go over to the right side and click in security. Under security, you're going to scroll down to where you have ID verification. Now, this ID verification may serve as your age verification, and this is because it requires you to upload an approved form of identification to confirm the authenticity of your account. Now, if you're submitting an approved identification form, such as a government approved ID card, this will suffice in verifying your age. However, this option is only for those on premium, so you'll need to upgrade to premium in order to have your ID verified by using your government issue ID. So for two scenarios, you can verify your age on X by waiting for a trigger depending on the content or comply with local laws, or you can come over to the ID verification and upgrade to premium in order to have your ID verified. So this is what you need to know if you'd like to verify your age on X.